Oh, so today we have an iPhone XX Max that had a no touch issue. So as you can see, the touch doesn't work. Let's open up the phone and go to microscope and take a look. Okay, let's go to schematic first. Okay, schematic here. So this is the touch connector here. So we need to measure to see the values here and see which one is bad. It's the second value. That one's good. So skip to ground pins. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Okay, this one is bad. Third one at the end, it's no good. It's good. It's good. So this third one we have no value. Let's see what that is. Third one is this one. So we get no value. Touch too many force. PWM. So it has to do with touch something. So where's that goes to? So that goes here. And so, okay, so let me see. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So 16 pin. So it's missing this touch pin right here. So, okay, let's continue. So we know that one's bad. So measure the rest. Let's go over this side right here. One's good. 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 Oh, this one's. So we're not missing another one. This one's bad. Oh, actually, this one's good. This one. Let's make it again. Okay, that one's good. Okay, this one's bad. Good. 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 This one's bad also. It's the third one. One. So this third one is bad. Okay, so this third one would be 2, 4, 6. So this one is bad. So probably along here is something wrong here. So probably there's a separation between the top board and the bottom board. That's why we see this pin over here and this pin over here not connecting. Let's go to another one that we found. The fifth one or something. So the sixth one is bad. 2, 4, 6. So where does it go to? To this pin over here. Okay, so we have a bunch of pins that are not connecting. So usually the case like this, usually there may be a separation between the board, the top board and the bottom board. That's why I have about 3 pins that are not connecting. So let's go ahead and do that. Remove the board from the housing and put on the heater and go from there. Let's wait for a few minutes before we can separate the board. Okay, let's see. It's been 5-6 minutes already. Let's see. We can remove this. First, we need to remove this sticker right here. Yeah, I think we can remove it now. So we can do a little bit touch up. So let's wait for about 5-6 minutes, then put it back into the housing and test it. Okay, looks like the board is good. It's been about 6-7 minutes already, so it's be all right. So let's turn it off and let it cool down. Okay, so we took it out. We put in the fan and cool down a little bit. Okay, let's put the board back into the housing, and so we can test the touch issue. Okay. And we still don't have touch. Let's touch measure this continuity within the board. So we need to measure the continuity from this pin to this pin to see there's a continuity. And we also need to measure the board as well, the top board as well. Let's go ahead and do that. So this pin go to number 6. Number 6, go to the 5th one. Okay. So 2, 4, 6. Oops. So it's up. So this pin to the 5th over here. Uh-oh. No continuity. Okay, that's good. Had me scared there. Let's go to the third one. That's good. So we have no content. We have no touch here. This one goes to the third one goes to the 246. 246. Third one which is 46. Come on. Third one right here. Go to the 6 side. 2, 4, 6. Oh, great. Oh. No continuity from here to there. That's great. Nope. Nope, nothing there. Oh boy. Let's try this another one. So this one over here, where this one goes to? Let's go to the 16 pin right here. Two, 4, 6, 8. Oh wait. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Oh man. Nope. Two, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Oh man. Nothing there. Nothing there. It is bad. So we're not getting any values for the measurements. But after the visual inspection, oh, this board looks bad. Oh, see, this board was bent. As you can see, there's a separation. So there are a lot of separations right here. It's not repairable. Let's go with the side two. Yeah. Oh, this board is done. One thing that we forgot is before the repair, we forgot to do a visual inspection. If we had done the visual inspection, we wouldn't proceed with the repair. So this repair is a fail. It's not possible to repair this kind of damage. As you can see, this is a separation. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned a lesson from here. Is that first do a visual inspection first before you continue with the repair. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching the video. See you guys next time. Hit the like button if you haven't done so, or subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Bye for now.